Your campus is receiving a Google Expeditions kit. The purpose of this video is to give you some tips on setting up and leading a Google Expedition VR field trip with your students.
Once you get your Google Expeditions kit unpacked, you will find a tablet inside that you are going to use to lead the expeditions. The power button is on the side of the tablet, so you're going to power it on. It'll come up with a screen that looks like this. I'm going to swipe up, and at the bottom of the screen you will see the expeditions icon. The first thing you'll need to do, up at the top you'll see the little wireless setting, and I'm going to click on that. You should be, and it will let you choose what to connect to. You should be connected in order to download one of the expeditions to the Pirate Network. Once you're on the Pirate Network, you can go back down to the expeditions icon, open that. You'll have to accept their terms. Once you do that, and it tells you you're connected to the Pirate Network, you can search on, I think I'm going to look for the 911. Memorial and Museum. I'm going to click on that, and you can see the progress here that it's downloading that expedition. You have to download it to your tablet before you can lead it. I've downloaded it, and again, you have to be on the Pirate Network in order to download it. However, in order to lead an expedition, this tablet and the devices in the headset have to all be on the same network, on the same wireless. So I'm going to go here to my settings. I'm going to drop this Pirate down, and one of the things you see is EXP1, and that is this little router that comes also in your Expeditions kit. On the back of that there is a power button, so you'll need to turn that on. Then on the bottom, it's going to ask you for a password on your tablet. On the bottom of your router, you can see a username and a password. So I'm going to go to my tablet and I'm going to type in. So I'm going to click on Expedition 2, and you can see that I'm connected and no internet. That's what I want. Now, I'm going to go back to my home button down at the bottom, click on this expedition, and I'm going to look for my 9/11 expedition that I downloaded. This little check indicates that it's downloaded onto my tablet. I'm going to click on this, and it will start my expedition. I'm going to go here, click Start Expedition, and it's going to, you can see that there are no followers. Once I turn on one of the headset tablets, you will see how many followers you have right here that are connected to your expedition. It gives you a narrative, tells you a little bit about, you can click on one of the highlighted points and talk about that. Once you can pause it here. Once you're ready to go on to the next screen, you can also move around like this. Once you're ready to go to the next, you just swipe to the right. I'm going to click play on this view. It's going to give me some questions. It's going to give me some things to point out. And again, when I'm ready to move on to the next screen, I'm going to go here and click play. And here's inside the museum. The followers will be able to scroll around and look all around a 360 view. I'm going to pause. Again, in order to lead an expedition, you have to be on the Explore router or network, and your tablets, your little devices, have to be on the very same network. However, you have to go to Pirate Network on your tablet in order to download an expedition that you can lead.